Let's take a quick look at how to navigate the Center for Student Happiness's events page in Handshake. From your Handshake homepage, you can find the events page in the left-hand navigation menu. Once you're on the events page, you'll see a full list of upcoming workshops, development opportunities, and recruitment events. The easiest way to find exactly what you're looking for is to use the search bar. Just type in the name of the team, like academic coaching, life coaching, or career services, and all of their upcoming events will move to the top of the list. When you see an event you're interested in, simply click into the event page. From there, you can read the details and click register to save your spot. You also have the option to save an event if you'd like to come back to it later. In the upper right corner, you'll find tabs to view events you've saved, events you've registered for, and events you've already attended. The events page makes it simple to stay connected. We look forward to seeing you grow in the next workshop.